Hello and welcome to another section in further mathematics. Today we'll be talking about the normal distribution. Now when we talk about the normal distribution, there are certain things I would like us to lay more emphasis on, which might definitely include the identification of the normal distribution as one of the probability distributions. Now, what is a normal distribution? A normal distribution is a continuous distribution and it takes the form. So this is a form of a normal distribution. Now when you're talking about a normal distribution, you have a form, a distribution that goes this way, with the mean being at the center of it. This point is the mean of a normal distribution. This is our y-axis, x-axis, and this is our y-axis. So where lambda is the standard deviation and u is the mean, so this point is our u, and e exponential is 2.718 in this equation, in the formula that is being used. The graphical representation of a normal distribution is a bell-shaped curve. Now this is the shape of a normal distribution. It goes this way like a curve and it projects downwards continuously. Now what is the properties of a normal distribution? It depends on the mean and standard deviation. So the normal distribution relies mostly on the mean. So a distribution that doesn't have a suitable mean value cannot be actually analyzed using the normal distribution. And the shape is a bell-shaped. The function is continuous, hence the range is from minus alpha to plus alpha. That's the range of it. And the curve is symmetrical about the vertical line from the mean. Being symmetrical moves in this form about this vertical line from the mean. Now this is the mean of it. So with this, I would like us to go into applying this to solving some questions that will help us understand the normal distribution properly. Now a random variable x normally distributed with mean 65 and standard deviation 5. Find. Now this is the first thing we're expected to find. PR 60. Where x is greater than or equal to 60 and this. Now look at what our point of interest. The least value here is less than that of the mean. So which is as now 60. So with that we have the probability of 60 and this. So we state our u, our mean is equal to 65 and the value of our r is equal to 5. So for PR 60, x 70, we make use of PR of u minus r less than or equal to x all over u plus r, because the negative side, just like you said, it ranges from here to plus this. So the value here, u plus r, should be equivalent to what we have here. So with this, we now have the PR of, okay, we have 60. The first point here is 60 plus 5. 65 minus 5. That is our u here, 65 minus 5. With the range of x ranging from, and this point becomes 65 plus 5. So this is now 60x 70. So using the normal distribution table is equal to 0.68. Now that's the value of this. Now this for I. Now the second part of it, if you're to look for the value of P, that is at 55x 75. At this point we have u minus 2r. Root of u minus 2r less than or equal to x less than or equal to u plus 2r. and is equal to 0.95. While in the third point, we have probability of 50x. Okay, this is 80. So how can we get 50 from here? Probability of, remember our u here is 65. Now in order for us to have 50, we minus 3r, because since our r here is 5, and 5 times 3 is 15, 65 minus 2 is 50, so that's the range of x. So 80 is now 65 plus 3r, and at this point is equal to 0.997 from the normal distribution table. So with this, I think we'll say a very good job has been done to the normal distribution. So I would like and advise you to make use of this lesson material when you're dealing with any form of normal distribution. But do well to take the test that will be coming up shortly after this, and we'll be so happy to get your comments and some questions in our comment section.